Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Chase QuickPay to move funds to exchanges. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Chase QuickPay to move funds to exchanges, start by logging into your Chase account. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section on the dashboard. Select QuickPay with Zelle from the options available. If you haven't already set up QuickPay, follow the prompts to enroll your email or mobile number. Once enrolled, return to the QuickPay section. Locate the option to send money. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your exchange. For the recipient, input the exchange's designated Zelle email or mobile number. Verify the recipient's information to ensure accuracy. Confirm the payment details before proceeding. Submit your QuickPay transaction. You may receive a notification confirming the transfer. Check your account to ensure the funds have been debited. Log into your exchange account to verify that the funds have been credited. If there are any issues, consult the exchange's customer support for assistance. Always double-check transaction limits and fees associated with QuickPay. This process should streamline moving funds to your chosen exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.